Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really cool shadow box for you. This is my Love Grows Here shadow box. How fun is that design? You have that mason jar full of flowers, and then that sentiment is all there in script that says Love Grows Here, and then it's framed with a whole bunch of hearts. Just really fun. Just like all of my shadow box designs, you could totally resize this and use this for another purpose, possibly put it on a card or in a different shadow box, or just as a paper craft. It's really fun to make. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, and of course your cardstock. Now you could also use some glue or some foam squares to help with the different layers. I'm just going to layer everything inside the design, so I will not be using those, but of course it's totally up to you. Now that we know our different materials, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a different size shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I've gotten everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all the different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the black, green, red, yellow, pale green, and then dark blue. If you wanted to add foam squares behind a few of the layers, I probably would do that behind the pale green, the red, and then the dark green. I'm not going to add any foam squares. I'm going to just layer everything into the shadow box. I'll go ahead and prep the shadow box right now. I've already added the little pins to the backing piece there. And now I will just go ahead and start to layer the design. And I will add the backing piece and seal up the shadow box. And there we go. Our shadow box is all set. Wasn't this design really fun to put together? I hope that you like it. If you make this shadow box, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.